too much. All right, I got a putty spreaded. I kind of messed up here. I tried to spread too much at once, and I put a little too much there, but it's fine. If I get it sanded, fix it all. And I still got to cover these 3 little ones here. I really would have liked just a small amount. This is way too much. I try to work with too much at once, but it happens. So let's get to sanding that, but first I'm gonna go grab some canes. Brother hasn't ate today, so let's get to it. All right, we had a few more dents. I got all those done, so we're good on the fender. Now let's just hit all these little things. Let's do it, then we're gonna hit some primer. All right, so we got everything done there. Everything done up here. And everything over here. We just had a few things. A little small dent here. Nothing too crazy. I felt a little here. I'm still gonna have to sand it a bit. But as far as all this, we were all good for all this upper piece. I got it taped off. All right, I got it all wiped down. I'm not gonna be covering the door handle or that because I'll be taking those off and checking them separately. But let's get to priming. All right, so I'm gonna try to cover these wheels. I got a big old trash bag. I don't really ever care to cover these. I kind of just have them for spares, so I was gonna get some new ones, but I'm gonna attempt to. But if the wind blows it away, I'm just gonna go and prime and sand it. But let's give it a chance to try and cover these up. I got a little exhaust piece holding that. That should be fine. So let's start mixing this primer. Everything's looking good. This I'm gonna check one more time for sure, 100%. But let's get all this. All right, I got a brand new gallon primer right there. First, let's get our cup, our stick, and a strainer. And take this over there and we'll come get the primer. Excuse my mess, I haven't had a chance to clean my table, but this is all we're gonna need. My high bale primer I use, the hardener for it, our cup, our strainer, and our stick, and our priming gun. I don't believe you can buy this one anymore, but if you can, I'd buy one. But this is all we're gonna need. All right, we got that open, and you're just gonna wanna stir this up because there's big chunks at the bottom. I'm gonna get this mixed very, very well. So let me do that real quick, then we'll get to mixing. For this primer, you wanna really, really make sure you set it's good, or else it'll just spray weird. So we're stirring the hell out this, then we're gonna prime. So let's get to it. Oh, my light. All right, check that out. Even covered the wheel spray all this time. But got that all primed. It looks real nice. I'm real happy how it came out. I just missed, let me see if you can see it. Right there on the door, I missed a bit when I went with that second coat. That's fine. Whenever I'm thinking about just checking it once, but I'm still debating that. But whenever I try to get ready for paint, this high build primer, I'm gonna be hitting it with the real fine sanding paper. Then I'll come with this nicer primer that I have that I'll show y'all. But yeah, this is how it came out. It looks real good. A lot straighter, as you can see, a lot nicer. There's the door. And I just did this top piece. And all that top piece right there on the fender. And all this. And I did the whole quarter. Except that piece right there, I'll be checking that once I take off the spoiler, do the trunk and whatnot. Then I just gotta check all this down here, but nothing too crazy. You see it's looking nice. Look at that. I'm hyped how it came out. I just got a little dirt in there because I forgot to cover this. As soon as I started priming, I didn't want to set down the gun and the paint dry. So I just put in a little cardboard, and when I pulled it, it threw off some dirt, but that's fine. You see, it looks real nice. Pretty hyped. It's looking a lot straighter. Everything's looking nicer. And that's what we want. Guys, next day, and I think we're either gonna hit this hood or do the trunk, remove the spoiler and whatnot, or the roof, something. We're gonna hit something on this car. I wanna get it done so we can get this ready to paint, start wet sanding and light sanding and whatnot, all we need to do. But let's get to it. I was asking myself, does the sanding ever end? And the answer is starting to seem like no, because I've been sanding this car for ages, it feels now. No, I will end. I think I'm just gonna check everything once and we're gonna send it like that and just fucking throw some color at it. I hope there's no dent. Hopefully, please. Oh no, I see some. Alright, this is gonna need some work. Alright, I got all that sand. There's not much, it's just like that one little thing right there and just a few over there. So just minimal stuff. I'm gonna spray about half this roof so I can check this too while I'm at it, and we're gonna hit that fender off, bottom piece of the fender also. Just let me spray this. Well, I'll spray this after, there's too much wind at the moment. Let's spray this. Get this all checked. Alright, there's that. I'm gonna let the wind die down a little, then we'll hit that. It works pretty, or the guiding is pretty easy. The only thing is, the Supra has a lot of different curves. Like on that fender, it like dips in, but to a certain point, I don't know how to explain it. It curves in, but then it goes straight, which is really weird. And this one, I mean, I could use a flat, but I don't know, it's kind of got a curve, so it's kind of, you gotta like, I don't know, kind of got to go with it at first and figure it out from there. But let's get this piece sanded, then I'm gonna wait for that to dry. So about right here down we can do. All right, so I got it about all I just gotta do right here. I'm just not trying to get a billion clips of me sanding. I feel like I've shown a lot of me sanding. I'm not trying to bore y'all out with that. Everybody got that. We just got this little dent right here at the two major. So yeah, then we just got to do up here. Right here I could tell I'm gonna use the curve. I've been using this one right here. I've been trying to go with the curve, but we're about there. I'm gonna see if I can knock out everything because I kind of want to paint this car already. I'm tired of it not being painted. I'm tired of seeing the primer. There's not really much of any bodywork. The other side has a little on the door, but we're about there. See there, just a small little dent. And I'm gonna hit the roof. I'm gonna try to get the whole roof knocked out. I'm about to go spray that other side, so let's do that. For that brings me to a question. Should we check these little pieces right here that go from there, not the bumper, there, all the way there, the little side skirt pieces? Just drop it down. Let me know if you think we should be checking those, or if we should just sand it and check the body and just paint those how it is and just do what we need to those, but no body work to them. Oh shit, I forgot to hit record, my bad. Oh shit. Hold on, let me take off this tape. There we go. Oh man. No, that's fine. I'll just flare that in. Let me let the wind die down, then we'll do that part. Alright. So, let's do this roof. I want to try to get the whole thing knocked out, including the other side of the door, and the bottom piece of the fender. The hatch I can worry about later. I don't care about painting that at the moment. The wing, we can do that. But I would like to knock out this whole fucking car. I want to paint it. I'm tired of waiting. It needs some color, it needs some light. All sand. It's just a little weird. I can't really let off the fender to pull it out because the door doesn't open. So I'm having to get in weird little angles to get this, but we're about down here. Everything's looking good. I just believe there's something small right here, which is messed up a bit there, but we're all about good. Got that all done. Just like one more I missed, but I'll let this dry. I'm gonna check all that. So let's get to it. This one's good. This one needs a little more. Oh yeah, we're good to go there. Let's hit this roof. All right, we got those sanded. We got that one sanded. I put a little there and a little on the roof, so let's do that. Got that right there, that, maybe that. I gotta put here, I didn't put enough. And I got some over there, so let's get to it. Right. I got those little things filled in. Don't worry about that. That right there, then all these little ones. I messed up right there. I'm gonna have to redo those. But see, we got all that. I didn't get to mix that up, but I'll take that down. Don't worry. So let's get to sanding in that small one there. So should be good all up here. Just maybe little things like right there and right there. We got that bottom all primed there. I was a bit more worried here because I thought it would shoot up dust, but nothing really happened, so we're all good there. See there? And all up here. The only thing is the roof, you can see lines here and there. I'm not the best. Let me see if I can focus. I'm not the best at doing the roofs. It's a little harder. If I would have had like a chair, like a stand, it would make it easier. And there's a bit of wind, but got it all covered. But you can see the line down the middle. The roofs are a little harder for me, so that's something I'm still trying to practice on, but we're good there. We got it all covered either way. It's looking pretty straight. I didn't get to do this because I wanted to hurry up, but we'll hit that tomorrow, but got about everything and we're looking good. All right, guys, so we got all that primed. It's dried up now. Let me get you a closer look. See there? Looking pretty good. Up from there to the roof. We got it all covered. It's just, like you can see it a bit right here. The hose, when I was coming with it, I hit it a bit, but nothing too crazy. Whenever we sand it with the fine paper, it should come out. If not, I'll fix it. Got that right there looking nice. Those dents are right there. It looks good. We are looking great. That's all we got for today. Everything else we'll finish tomorrow. I'm trying to finish everything quickly so it's not just sanding videos, but till the next one, stay tuned.